Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Kai.
And I'm Dee.
So last night we arrived in Picton, driving up from Nelson, and we had to stay overnight in Picton to then board our ferry to Wellington.
So in this video, we will show you a quick tour of Picton, a tour of our Airbnb, and
what's it like to travel on an Interislander Ferry from Picton to Wellington. Here we go!
Here we go!
Okay, so we've just arrived in Picton, and
what are you going to be doing?
well, I'll have to do another Airbnb tour. So this time, this Airbnb is called Perfectly Picton. Come in. So let's start off on this side. In here, you will find a cupboard. So if you're staying here for a few days, perfect. Also have a little dining area for two, and not exactly a kitchen because there's no stove, but it's got a sink, toaster, sandwich press, jug for coffee, a microwave to heat up any takeaways, and look, it's got a heat pump. Pretty awesome. And cutleries, knives. What else is in here? Oh, plates, cups, yeah, glasses in a bowl. Cold is the word rubbish bin is, and a bar fridge that's decent enough size, and we've got free milk for the coffee tomorrow, and wine glasses, tea, coffee. Looks like that's all included. That's pretty generous, a nice touch. And the bed, yeah. Oh, we did read the reviews. They said they have good bed here, and it does feel like it. Looks like it's a queen bed. In here is the bathroom. Look at this, so modern and contemporary. They provide us with some shampoo, body wash, towels, complete set actually. That's pretty nice. What do you think?
Very good.
Very good. And this places also have a TV and a little lounge area. Wi-Fi is all included, and the TV's got Netflix. Perfect.
Good stuff.
That's the end of the tour. I think this is the best Airbnb we stayed at from the whole 6 days that we've been traveling around this area. Alright, so we've got an early ferry trip tomorrow. So we'll be just grabbing dinner, hopefully crash early. But while we're here, we'll take you around this little Picton town where the Interislander Ferry terminal is.
Many hours later.
So when checking in, you need to be able to show your ID.
After checking in, they give you the tickets and a bag tag if you're checking in a bag.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
So the Interislander Ferry have 3 vessels. We are in the vessel named Kaiarahi.
And this vessel is mostly good for camper vans.
Yeah. If you check out the Interislander Ferry website, they will give you a comparison of each vessel and which is good for family, sightseeing, or camper van. We'll put the website link below. Cool, let's have a look around of the facilities. So the accessible areas in this vessel are only 2 floors, deck 7 and 8. We're currently on deck 8 and we're in the lounge. So let's check out the other areas. So let's check out the Plus Lounge here at Kaiarahi Vessel. And here's Dee with her coffee. Interislander Ferry.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves in this filling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have. Yesterday we could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless.
Barbara just arrived in Wellington after the airport for our flight to Auckland. And
Off to see Jakey!
okay, so where are you going?
Picking up Jakey!
the end of our video. So if you like this video,
Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell.
see you later.
See you!
Time for JB to shower.